Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in your 40s, sticking to a healthy diet isn't just about maintaining your waistline, it's about feeling vibrant and full of energy. Today, I'm here to share some top diet tips specifically tailored for those of us aged 40 to 49. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about protein. As we age, our muscle mass naturally decreases, so including plenty of protein in our diet is crucial. Think lean meats, fish, eggs, and for my plant-based friends, lentils and chickpeas are great options. These foods help repair and build muscle tissues, keeping you strong and active. Next, fiber is your friend. Not only does it help with digestion, but it also keeps you feeling full longer, which can help manage weight. Foods like oats, apples, and broccoli are excellent sources of fiber. Plus, they help maintain a healthy heart and stable blood sugar levels. Now, let's not forget about calcium and vitamin D. These are vital for bone health, which becomes increasingly important as we get older. Dairy products, fortified plant milks, and fatty fish like salmon are fantastic sources. Consider a daily walk in the sunlight too. To boost your vitamin D naturally, hydration is also key. Our sense of thirst diminishes as we age, so it's important to drink water throughout the day, even if you're not feeling particularly thirsty. This helps with overall cell function and keeps your skin looking fresh. Lastly, antioxidants are essential. They fight against oxidative stress and aging. Colorful fruits and vegetables like berries, carrots, and spinach are packed with antioxidants. So make your plate as colorful as the rainbow. There you have it, folks. Simple yet effective diet tips for those of us in our fabulous 40s. Remember, what you eat not only affects how you look, but also how you feel. Here's to staying healthy and energized. See you in the next video.